Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Yvette Qualley with Yvette's Junk Journal Shop, and today I am here to show you something very exciting to me. This is my very first digital junk journal kit that I've created. I'm offering it free on my Ko-fi shop to anyone who would like to have it. So there are 3 pages of tags and 12 journal pages. I also have a $1 digi with additional ephemera pages available as an add-on kit in my Ko-fi shop. So I'm going to go ahead and let you see here. This is kind of a preview of the pages. So the idea behind this was to bring together like teal and yellow and sunflowers, books, just all the things I kind of like. So here in this one, I've got some vintage wallpaper background on there, and then I've just layered everything up. So this is your first page here with a lot of tags on there. And the next page, we have some more tags because I love to put tags in my junk journal, and I like a lot of ephemera in there. So to tuck in, or at least have options. So as you can see, I've just kind of layered it all up. It's kind of got a vintage kind of farmhouse or country vibe to it. A little bit of retro vibe because I'm not really one particular style. So my style in my junk journals is very much like this kit. Here's our first page in the journal. Now I am learning things, so this is not perfectly centered. It has a border on there, so you'll have to cut it off. So the pages will not all be exactly the same size, but that's how I'm learning. So here on this one, I've got this pretty wood background with some sunflowers in the corners. How I would use this, fold it in half and then tear out some pages for journaling, like coffee dyed paper where you could glue it down and have places to journal there. Here's this one with this lace at the bottom, and then I've got some lined paper for journaling. And I've printed these all single-sided because I like to use the back side. That helps me control how much I'm putting into my journals. So I would probably layer these pages with coffee dyed paper or different colored copy paper, things like that. So here I've got just a page with a little bit of lace down the middle and a place for journaling. This one's just more of a plain background, kind of an ink saver idea. And then this one has a little bit of pink in it, but I liked the look of that, and I kind of tweaked the image a little bit so it's got more of that teal kind of background to it. And then just this torn page look here and a label at the top. This one, like I said, I'm learning, so this is not perfectly centered when you fold it in half, but I don't mind that. You could make it a little bit smaller and kind of center it. So yeah, I am learning on that. And then I have some sunflower border around on this one. This layout, I really liked how it came out. It's got the lace in the background, which I tinted to that yellow color, and lantern in the corner, a couple places to journal. And then this one is just kind of a plain page. You could do some coloring on there. And then this one here, I just put the images in the corner, left the other spaces open so you could kind of journal around the images. And then this one just layered up again. But when this is folded in half, then you'll have what looks like this. And then on the other side. So show that just for people that want to know how that would look. So that's the last in the free kit. So there's, like I said, 3 ephemera pages and then 12 journal pages. The $1 digi that I've done as an add-on is the next 3 pages that you'll see. So we have some page tabs up here that you could cut out and put on the edges of your journals. And then I wanted to include some journal cards. So I've done these, and similar to what is on the pages, but I did change it up just so that it's kind of its own thing. And then here we have these images, which I like the gradation on the color there. And then these are more plain, so you could journal around those. And then the last one here is more sunflower themed. So you could change this up and use this in with these. They coordinate very well together, as you can see. And yeah, so I had a lot of fun creating this. I'll be creating some more digitals as time goes by, and each month I'll be offering a free digital on my Ko-fi shop. So it will not be probably as large as this because it's, you know, going to be a freebie. So this one, because it was my first one, I did want to get that out there. So I will be using this kit in February for a journal that I'm making for the challenge that I am co-hosting. And that challenge is called the hashtag 12 by 12. Let me see if I have it written down here. Yep. Hashtag 12 by 12 Junk Journal Challenge 2024. And I am co-hosting that with Dawn, Trisha, April, Joan, Sheila and myself. And then here's all of our channels. So I will have all of these in the description box with links so that you can join us. And if you use that hashtag, you'll be taken to a playlist where all of our videos relating to the challenge will be listed. So again, I have this free now available in my Ko-fi shop. And then I will be using this kit in my journal that I am creating for February. So please check out that hashtag and help support fellow creators, and also join us in the challenge. It's a lot of fun. Very low key, very low stress. So I hope you guys consider that. If you aren't aware of the challenge, all of that can be found in my prior videos or on any of the co-host challenge channels. So hope you join me in the next video. Who knows what's next? I don't know at this point. So hope you guys are having a great 2024 so far, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks so much for watching.